Today, I'm going to talk to you about a new bundle that we are introducing for SD-WAN to help in expanding SASE opportunities. But before we jump into it, you need to know that Unified SASE is on track to become a $29 billion market by 2030. And the opportunity is massive. Tens of thousands of organizations have already deployed Fortinet Secure SD-WAN, and the majority of them are looking for a way to extend that same secure, high-performance network experience to their remote and hybrid workforce. That's where FortiSASE comes in. With our global distributed points of presence, FortiSASE delivers a cloud-based security that ensures fast, resilient, and secure access no matter where the users are located. So to make adoption simple, low risk, and easy to test, Fortinet is introducing a first-of-its-kind SASE expansion bundle for SD-WAN customers. This exclusive bundle includes user license anywhere from 10, 50, or 100 seats, so organizations can try SASE at their own pace before scaling. Plus, with the secure private access connector included, users gain fast, secure access to private applications with enterprise-grade resilience. This is the industry's first offer of its kind and a powerful way to accelerate your SASE adoption journey. Don't miss this opportunity. And for more information, please check out the SASE ordering guide and get started today. Thank you for listening.